Hello, in this video, we will be talking about the display settings in Speedwapp. In Speedwapp, we have four display settings: block element, flex, inline block, and inline. A block element always occupies the entire available width and extends as far to the left and right of the page. They always start on a new line. Examples of block elements are paragraphs, headings, sections, list items, etc. Flex. With a flex layout, a container can change the width, height, and arrangement of its items to best fit the space available. It also shrinks them to prevent overflow. It helps in building a responsive page layout. To learn more about flex layout, please check our video on flexbox layout. The next display setting is inline. An inline element only uses the space that is required. An inline element does not start on a new line. Examples of inline elements are links, buttons, images, etc. Our last display is inline-block. Just like inline-block functions similarly to inline. The difference is that you can set the element's width and height with an inline block, but you can't define the width and height for an inline element. For example, let's set these two paragraphs to inline and inline block. Let's define the width for the inline element by dragging its shape boundaries. You can see it's not expanding. The only way you can increase the width is by adding more content or removing some of its content. Now let's try the same thing with the inline block element. You can see it's adjustable, unlike the inline element. So that explains the difference between inline and inline block. This explains the four display settings in Speedwapp.